Beautiful, durable, versatile. Barrette Outdoor Living HandiRail aluminum railing. Rich colors and long-lasting aluminum material means your rail will beautify your home for years to come. This simple-to-install system is available in 3 colors: matte black, white, and aged bronze. First, insert the ends of the curved mid-rail into the holes of each post. Connect rail to posts by hand-tightening the screws. Insert the ends of the top rail on top of each post, making sure holes in rail align with holes in post. Hand-tighten the screws. Then position your assembled panel on steps and connect your post to the stairs. There are 2 options. Option 1 for concrete or wood. Mark holes through the mounting plates of posts onto the mounting surface with masonry anchors. Option 2 for concrete only. Determine the center of the post. Drill a hole in the center marks. Fill the hole with anchoring adhesive. Then thread the hole with zinc-threaded rod. Place rail section into place. Rails are designed for standard treads at 32 degrees, but will work up to 41 degrees depending on step height and width. Finally, tighten the top and mid rails. Place the base trim around both posts and assemble the 2-piece post trim covers. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.